Please tell us something about yourself and the Rising Star Preschool and Daycare.
Sure, Pratik. I am the director of Rising Stars Preschool and Daycare Center. My name is Sonal Narula, and I have been in this field, or Rising Stars have been in the existence for since 2011. I have about 10 years of corporate experience. I am an HR professional by nature. I was last employed with Aon Hewitt for 5 years. Having said that, I never thought I will enter into a world of children, but when I was blessed with my own son who was 2 years old, I started looking out for a daycare facilities for him. While the place that I was living in Mayur Vihar, Delhi, I found the three things that I was focusing at: good food, hygiene, security of a child. I could not find any. Both me and my husband talked about it. We just thought, let's tap the opportunity, and that's where I figured it out. A place. I put my papers. I thoughtfully started thinking towards this direction to start a daycare center plus a preschool where children get ready what they will be going to do in nursery while they are 3 years old, because 3 years is too young for any child to begin with pencil writing, to begin understanding alphabets, numbers, and all of that. So it's not about coloring all the time. Having said that, we thought, let's walk an extra mile. That's where we have prepared our own books, our own curriculum, where we just focus on what children will be doing in nursery, and we are trying to cover about 60% of it in pre-nursery. Once they reach the nursery level, the burden is little less on them. They enjoy going to school. It's a big school, but they don't have that burden of doing that bits of work which they have already done with Rising Stars. That's the idea of the preschool. Then we thought towards daycare services. We start with 5 months to 5 years of daycare service. We cater as many infants as we could cater. We give them a crawling space. We ensure that once they start walking, we tap their videos, show it to their parents, the things that they have missed. We call that as blissful moments for parents. What they have missed while working, we capture them and share it with parents. On top of it, what we are most concerned for infants and for elder children is the good food. We prepare food in house. We give the meal charge to parents at the beginning of the month. We show it to them. This is the kind of food that we prepare. The entire staff that we have eats the same food that children eats. That's one of the USPs of Rising Stars. We have benchmarked our food services. Second facility that we have is the CCTV camera. So there's a footage that's getting recorded at any given point in time. If parents say that I have a problem, I want to see is my child eating food or not, we call them on a Saturday, and they are free to choose a time or a date, and they want to see the recordings, they can do that. Along with this, there is I have aligned my phone with the CCTV camera so that there are control measures in place. What my mates are doing, what my faculty is doing, I know how they are working. So that's how I have aligned my phone and CCTV camera so that I can keep a control on them. However, there is a strong escalation matrix that we have formulated, and the kind of a structure that we have. We have 8 helpers to look after. We have 1 guard who looks after the security thing. Then we have cleaning maids separate. We have also looked at the teacher-child ratio, the helper-child ratio. There's a daycare coordinator. There are teachers, there are senior teachers, there are junior teachers. On top of them, there is a school principal, and on top of the school principal is me. So in total, there are about 16 people staff who are looking at one center of Mayur Vihar that we are focusing at. As a next level, where do we want to go next? Take Rising Stars next level is taking Rising Stars to corporate world. So what we are prima facie trying to do right now is talking to a lot of corporates so that they give us their space, we give them services, we build the entire structure, we help parents to work consciously for what they are working for, along taking care of their children. And I think for last 2 years we have masters in it, so that's what I want to take to the next level. Thank you.
Thank you so much.